so stoned. Hey man, do you recall that movie where it's like that dude, where it's like, is that really muscly guy, and it's like running around killing all them people? Man, that was a crazy movie. Totally. Oh, uh, which one, man? You know, don't you recall? The one with the guy. He's like killing all them people. And they were like mountains. And there's like a cheek. You remember? Totally. But I totally don't recall. Man, pass the bone. Maybe that will help me recall. Haha, totally. Wow, man. I think I totally recall it now. No, wait, I forgot. I totally don't recall it now. Man, wow. Man, that was like a dream or something. And I sort of remembered, but then I didn't remember. I did. Like, I totally did. But then I didn't. Man, it's like, it's like I was totally a different person or something. Like, it's like my memory's been erased. It's as if we're just like a totally different person or something. Oh, yeah, man. Like you're totally out of space. Like on Mars or something. Dude, I totally recall a midget. Like a little midget dude or chick. And there was like a knife. And all the weird alien and shit. Man, that was crazy. Dude, that is crazy. You were totally just there. Man, you're so fucking high right now. No. I think I recall the movie now. Literally. Totally. Okay. There was this dude. And he's like killing all these people. Man, I'm telling you, him like killing all them people. And then it's like a flying or something. And I remember he was on like a mountain. And there were like cops or something. No, worse. They were police cops. Yeah. What? What, police cops? What, like robot cops? Like from the future or something? I totally don't recall any movie like that. Wait, unless you're talking about the one with the dude, and he's like really muscly, and yeah, like they're chasing him and shit, but he's like killing like everybody, and he's got these eyes that go like crazy, like fucking crazy, because he's freaking out and shit. Dude, I think I totally recall what you're talking about. Yeah, man, that's the one. His eyes. He's going crazy. And the chick, she's there, and she's going crazy too. And there are the police cops after them. And there's like a mountain, and he's totally killing everybody. And there's like this slimy baby. Man, that was such a sick movie, dude. Yeah, totally. A total slimy baby. Yeah. Yeah, man, totally. Yeah, totally. Dude, I just had a great idea. You work at the cinema, Pig House, Flicks, or whatever. Ha, Pig House. Yeah, like we should call them up at the piggery and totally get them to play that film, like on the big screen. Yeah, man, I totally worked there. I could totally get them to do that. I'll totally call them now. Dude, it went to an answering machine, and it was like totally my voice. And it was totally weird. It was like I was talking to myself, but like from a past or something. Dude, it's weird. Imagine if you totally were a different person, but it was you, but the you from the past, and you left like some secret message on the answering machine, and it was you talking to you, which it was. Wow, yeah. And I'm like some secret agent and something going around killing everybody and shit. Dude, I think I totally recall the movie. Dude, what is it? Hang on, hang on. No, no, don't make me totally unrecall. You've totally called the piggery. We can't take your call, but we could totally recall you if you leave your name and number. Ah, hi. This is Steve. I totally work there. Okay, so like there's this movie and I don't know. Wait a minute. No, no, no. Yeah, I forget. Okay, I'll totally recall when I totally recall the movie. Totally. Dude, what happened? I thought you totally recalled. Yeah, I did it. But when I recalled, I totally didn't recall. Maybe a cone will give you total recall. Open your mind. Open your mind. Open your mind. Open your mind. Wait. I totally recall it now. The slimy baby. I'm totally gonna recall. You've totally called the piggery. We can't take your call, but we could totally recall you if you leave your name and number. Hi, it's me again, Steve. I totally work there at the pig house. Ah, pig house. Sorry for recalling, but I totally recall the movie. I think we should play there. Um, it's the man. Nah, wait, it's not. No, it's totally not the. It's It's no. It's I don't know, dude. The one with the guy killing everybody, and the midget, and the flying around, and the police cops, and the mountain, and the chick, and the dude, and they're freaking out, and his eyes, and the slimy baby, remember? Oh man, I totally don't recall. Dude, you didn't even leave your number. How do you expect them to totally recall us if they totally recall the movie? Even if we don't totally recall it. Dude, totally recall them and leave your number. And then they'll like totally recall us. Totally. Dude, relax. You'll live longer. Okay, okay. I'll totally recall them now. You've totally called the piggery. We can't take your call, but we could totally recall you if you leave your name and number. Okay, so here it is. I totally don't recall the movie that I'm totally recalling you guys about, but there's this really muscly dude, Dennis Quaid. Yeah, yeah, Dennis Quaid. There's this chick, there's these mountains, and this dude, Dennis Quaid, and is killing everybody. And they're flying around, and there's like these police cops, and like this midget or something, and like his eyes, and the dude, Dennis Quaid, and that chick are like totally freaking out. And there's this slimy baby. And do you guys totally recall that movie? If you do, totally recall me back.